Nikki Delventhal tries out a Sprinter van, and the Wayward Waggs have a really crappy day. Literally. What's up, blind viewers? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having a wonderful holiday weekend. It's a long weekend, that's right. Everybody out and about doing their thing, doing their traveling, and I'm sure all the wheeled wonders are out going, damn it. All these weekend warriors are out here taking up all the good spots. So I don't know how much the fuel prices are going to impact this holiday travel. I'm not sure because, hey, after all the stuff we've been through, I'm sure people are going to get out and about no matter what. They're ready to get out of the house. They're ready to go somewhere. Whether they can afford it or not, I don't know. I know right now I can't. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch some YouTubes and share some things that I am finding with you fine folks. So I guess without further ado, let's get into it. All right, the first one we're going to talk about today is Bunny. Bunny Plays Here. She is with some friends, and they went to see the Gutted premiere. Now, a little while ago, if you remember, I will put a one of them there little cards right there. I talked about Stephi Lee was in this show Gutted where they did some builds. Actually, Bunny and Lady Bugout and some other ones were actually at the place and kind of didn't get to see, but they were there. So they knew what was going on. But there's a big premiere. That's right, a big premiere. And the ladies, they actually went. They showed up to the place to see the premiere.
So we made it. We kind of checked out the lay of the land. We're checking out the view. Now, so something that's kind of crazy about me is I have been thinking that Dimples needs a roof deck.
A deck.
And Lady Bugout here, she has one. So I'm getting the feel of it, seeing if I like it.
Yes,
this is awesome. Like this is awesome. And if we turn around, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Oh, this is gonna be epic. This is gonna be so epic.
There to go, the ladies at the Gutted premiere, checking it out. So yeah, go over and to Bunny Plays Here, and you can of course find the link below, so you can go over and check out Bunny Plays Here. She's with D Lady Bugout, and yeah, they're hanging out and see what they think about the show. And they played the whole thing. It's like played episode 1 and 2, and then they had a little break for people to leave if they wanted to, and then they played the whole thing. I think they said it was like 2.5 hours all together with all the goodies that were going on. So yeah, go check them out and see what they have to say. Now, speaking of the Gutted, let's talk about one of the participants, Stephi Lee. That's right. She was in the show Gutted, and now she's lost in Colorado.
We got 1 bar of service. Can we fix this?
Can we?
How am I supposed to do this? I think I'm gonna die up here. Let's see if I can call Sarah. Okay, she's not answering. Let's try.
She's trying to go meet up with a friend.
Hello. I don't know if I have enough service for this call to last, but I am very lost. Help.
I don't know how to explain it. So you turn left on a dirt road.
Yeah, I'm on the dirt road. And I've just been going until I have service, but I'm not sure how far I'm supposed to go.
Okay, how long have you been driving on this dirt road?
Like 10 minutes, maybe. I can turn around and see if I can find the turn that I might have missed.
So go check out Steffi and see. Well, of course she made it. She made it. She finally found her way there. But yeah, I thought it was funny. I'm going to die up here. Good old Stephi Lee. I enjoy her channel. She's awesome. She gets a big old package with some toys for the dog and as she calls it, her life kit, her life support kit. She gets a whole bunch of her medications that she needs. She has cystic fibrosis, for anybody who does not know. But yeah, I really enjoy her channel. She's funny. She's an awesome young lady. And yeah, so go over and check out Stephi and see. Oh yeah, just how she makes out while she's running around. Getting lost in Colorado. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, so what we got next? Oh, we have Nikki, Miss Delventhal. That's right. Last time we talked about her, she was in a truck camper. Her Prius that she lives in is in the shop and not looking to be the best, so she is checking out alternatives, maybe possibly some other things to live in. If the Prius can't get fixed and it's too much, you might as well just spend the money. Plus, with her knee, you know, crawling around in and out of that car and climbing around in that, it would probably be a little bit better for her if she had something with a little bit more room, like that truck camper or this Sprinter van that she is checking out.
And AC, we got our double bar rack. And these vans are made with passenger vans, so they also have the air conditioning from the passenger van. This thing can cool down the van in minutes in even 100-degree weather.
Don't jump.
Right.
No. Pretty big fridge for a little thing.
What are we gonna have? What are we gonna have?
She's chilling with mom. There's mom in the back.
Bag salad.
Whoop, whoop.
We are gonna turn this into a dinner table.
Look at that. Look at that.
People, and you want to turn this chair around too. It all.
So there you go. You can go over to Nikki Delventhal's channel and check her out and see what she thinks about the old Sprinter van. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a really well done video, and I do enjoy Nikki's channel. She's a beast. She's a beast. The chick is in shape. And it's a shame she hurt her knee, because her and Camper, which is her dog, I mean, they're running and hiking, and I mean, they're going up trails that are like straight up the hill, and they're not just walking. Her and the dog, they're just running up them things. So the chick is a beast, and she's awesome. And again, I think with her, she hurt her knee, so she hasn't been able to do, you know, all the exercise and the physical stuff that she usually does. And that's why I think it would probably be beneficial if, you know, she could get out of that Prius, if she could, and get into something where she can stretch out a little bit and doesn't have to climb around in that little car, you know, her and the dog. So I hope she finds something, and I hope she can get something a little bit bigger and better for the long term for her living situation, living on the road. And yeah. Not too bad to look at either. Somebody in one of the comments, the last video I talked about her, they said that yoga pants were made for Nikki. Yeah, she does fill them out quite nicely. And yes, I know some people don't like it when I talk about ladies and the way they look and everything. Look, I'm an old blind guy. I'm under no disillusion that, yeah, I know I don't have a shot. That's not the point. The point is, hey, I'm going to lose my sight someday. So I look at things, and if I find something that's attractive, I'm going to tell you. And if you don't like me talking about the way females look, well, I guess you should probably watch another channel. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. But anyway, all that aside, I enjoy Nikki, and it's not just because of the way she looks. I like the effort, the well done, the produced videos. That's not just, shot and there you go, boom, throw it in the can, it's good to go. She's another one that puts time and effort into her videos, and they're well produced. I think so. So I enjoy watching them and hearing her story as well. And yes, her appearance is definitely a bonus. But yeah, go over and check out Nikki Delventhal. All right, who we got next? We got Lady Bugout. Now, we just saw her with Bunny at the gutted gizmo premiere thing. So yeah, now she is at another event, and she took advantage of a whole bunch of the van lifers and van dwellers and wheeled wanderers being all in one spot. And she went around and she asked them some questions. And the question was, what is the one thing you can do without?
What, guys? Nobody said their vehicle? Just kidding. I made them narrow it down to one item. I can't even think of the one thing that I can't live without except my Lady Bugout. But if you do want to check out some other gadgets that I have found to be very useful to me that I love and cannot live without, go check out my gadgets playlist. I have several different ones that I've done now on the gadgets that I have been loving. And I look forward to the next one where we're talking about what is the one thing that we thought that we would need that we realized that we really didn't. So check that out next week.
There you go. There you go. A little preview of what's coming up on the Lady Bugout's channel. So I'll go over and check out Miss Lady Bugout, and see what she had to ask and who all she asked and what their answers were. Pretty cool video. Another young lady I enjoy watching, and again, someone who's not too hard on the eyes either. Her and Bunny, they get together whenever they can. Pretty cool stuff, but I enjoy those ladies as well. So who do we got next? Oh yes, of course, this is the BlindViews channel. Another young lady. We have Anna Uncharted. What is Anna up to? Well, she is in South Dakota. She is just loving it there. And she goes to see, well, yeah, a very popular, a very, very well-known attraction.
Mount Rushmore. I gotta do it, right?
Gotta do it.
I can't not.
You're there.
What is the admission fee price? $10. $10 to see some rockheads. It is cold today.
Rockheads.
I need layers.
Go check out the Rockheads.
All right, you can come too.
Oh, we get to go too. Yay! And ta-da! There she blows.
There they are.
Well, okay. Saw them. Back to the van.
That's it.
Just kidding. No. Here's the thing about Mount Rushmore. It can be as much or as little as you want to make it. Places like this make for fantastic people watching.
This is
I noticed the majority of
what I
people
like
stick
about
around
this young lady. I think she does very, very, very good videos. And I love her voiceovers and her storytelling. She, I think anyway, is very good at storytelling. And just when she narrates stuff and does her voiceovers, very, very cool channel. Another young lady that puts the effort in, and I enjoy her video style and the way she does things. So go over and definitely check her out and hear what she has to say about Mount Rushmore. I know it's one of those things everybody knows about, but you got to go see what Anna says about it. Come on. It's a different perspective. Plus, again, go see if you agree with me, and do leave me a comment. Do you enjoy her storytelling? Do you like her voiceovers? Do you think it's all I hype it up to be? Leave me a comment below and let me know. I think she does a bang-up job when she does her little voiceovers, so I enjoy her. All right, well, what are we going to talk about next? Oh, who knows? I know. Wayward Waggs. They literally have a shitty day, and that's all I can say about it.
The reason I'm wearing gloves is because before we went traveling today, I used the facilities, and I forgot to flush the toilet.
Uh-oh.
So it looks like someone threw a grenade in the toilet, and there is literally, I'm not going to show you.
Thank you. We appreciate that, for sure.
There is literally
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
everywhere
Shit everywhere.
in the bathroom.
It's literally a biohazard that could be in our home right now.
I have gloved up, and I'm going to go and...
Her laughing just makes me laugh.
And my I'm going to go clean it. Let me show you. I'm glad she's having a good time. Let me go show you what else.
I can't believe you forgot.
Yeah, let me go show you what else is going
Oh,
on.
man. Good stuff. What can you say? What can you say? Oh, man. So go over and check out those guys, Wayward Waggs. And you can see what the other thing, they had another issue. It wasn't too bad, but they fixed that issue. But yeah, they literally had a shitty day. What? I mean, there's no other way to describe it. It was definitely, most definitely, a shitty day. Oh, man. Good stuff. All right, there you go. There's a little wrap up. Go check out the ladies I was talking about. Go check out Nikki for sure. And check out that Sprinter van. It's all done up, built out. Very cool. I was surprised. I mean, the bathroom, the shower size and everything. And she took a shower outside. There's an outside shower. Yeah, she showed you all around. Her and Mom are out looking at vehicles. So definitely go over and check out all the lovely ladies. Bunny, Steffi, Nikki, Anna, and the shitty day of the Wags. But hey, it's just the stuff that I like, and you don't have to agree with me. That's never the point here.
This is BlindViews, and that's the way I see it.
What we do here is go back.
Oh.